guys, welcome back to my Cali style shuffle series. So on last week's tutorial, we looked at different types of spins, and we started at a beginner level and then we moved into some more intermediate level types of spins. And now this week we're going to continue with more intermediate level kinds of spins, because spins are such a diverse kind of move and you can really do anything with spins, and there are so many variations. So today we're going to go over 5 more spin variations. So the first type of spin that we're going to go over is a kick out spin, and what it looks like is just simply this. So in order to do this move, we're going to use our right leg first. So you're going to take your right and you're going to bring it towards the back. So you're going to do a 180-degree turn and face the back. And when you do that, you're going to transfer all your weight onto your right foot and you're going to bring your left up. So that as you continue to turn, now you could kick your left foot out. So taking your right foot, 180-degree to the back, kick out to the front. So the next type of spin that we're going to look at is the double kick spin. So for this spin, it's kind of similar to our continuous spin where you're going to be kicking out, but instead of kicking out once per spin and continuing that spin, it's just going to be 2 kicks for 1 spin. So if we were to use our right to be the kick out leg, you would have your left leg planted and you're going to kick out to the front, out to the back, and then continue your running man. So if we were to do 4 running man into our kicks, at a slow pace, it will look something like this. So starting with your right for the running man, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, kick, running man, running man. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, kick, running man, running man. So the next type of spin that we're going to go over are crossover spins. So there are 2 different variations on how you can do this. The first variation is it's adaptable to all styles. So it's really just jumping with your right crossed in front of your left, and then you're going to turn, and as you turn, now your left is going to be in front of your right. So jumping, right crossed in front, untwist, now your left's in front. So for the other way, if you were to do it on your left, you would cross your left over, then as you twist, now your right's gonna be in front. So left in front, right in front. You can even do it so that as you uncross, both legs come together. So cross. So notice how I did that. I crossed my right in front, and as I turned, I brought my right foot back to the center, rather than allowing my other foot to cross in front. So you do have that option as well. For the next crossover type of spin, this is a spin that is seen predominantly in Cali style because of the aggressive kind of look it has to it. So notice as I cross over, I'm not just lightly dropping my foot and twisting out of it. I'm really bringing my leg over. So it's almost like your Cali style running man where you have your leg, up and ready to do that stomp. So it's similar, except you're crossing it over and then untwisting. So you're gonna bring it over like really dramatically and stomp it to the ground. And as you stomp it, that's when you're also gonna drop your body to add that effect that your foot's really heavy and you just stomped it on the ground. And then you untwist. So the next type of spin that we're going to go over, I'm not sure if this is the real name, but this is the name I'm giving it, is a jump kick. So for this jump kick spin, it's really gonna be like a jump and then a kick. So what it looks like is like this. And this type of spin is a spin that is going to be seen more in Melbourne and Cali style type of shuffling. So in order to do this type of spin, you're going to obviously be jumping, and as you're jumping, you're going to be kicking. So in order to do this, you're going to bring your left knee up, and then that is kind of like your charge up for your kick. So you're gonna charge up with your knee up, and then as you do that, you're gonna kick up with your right and hop onto your left. So power up, kick, power up, kick, power up, kick. And then as you do this, you're also going to be spinning. So when you power up, you have to make sure that you've already started your spin. So when you get to maybe about your corner, that's when you're going to kick over, and then you're gonna drop your foot down. So power up, kick it over, drop. So this is gonna take 2 counts, because this would be 1, 2, and then 3 is when you land. So power up, kick it over, drop. So power up, kick it over, drop. And that is all for this week's tutorial on intermediate spins. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe if you found the video helpful. If there is a specific move or tutorial that you want to see, let me know in the comments below. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!